What's your favorite word?
Financial independence.
Why?
Because, like, you gotta be independent with your own finances.
You give them the power to feed you. You give them the power to starve you. Hello, future investors on this beautiful day that has been given to us. Cheers. And welcome to the Stock Market Sistas TV channel, where I'm Grandpa Haven. I'm just a concerned grandfather looking out for the financial well-being of my grandchildren. And we're here to give you an update on week number 3, our $10 a day challenge. All this is, family and friends, to show you the power of compound, what you can do if you apply some discipline. So we're going to go over to the command center and do a recap of week number 3. All right, family and friends, welcome to the command center. And we're going to do a week 2 update. Last week, we ended the week with a position of 0.98 shares. Our market value, which means our position held, is $611.02. That was last week. And we were 3% down from year to date, meaning from the time I began to purchase the stocks, which was November the 20th. So family and friends, with that said, we're going to move over to week number 3, our challenge update. We hit a milestone, family and friends. We finally own 1 share of Meta after about 8 or 9 weeks of $10 a day minimum. We finally own 1 share of, actually 1.08 shares of Meta. Our market value is now $714.43. And our now total return is, we're up right now, is 2.65% or $18.43. This is from November the 20th until the time of this recording. And Meta stock now is $692, which is a little bit of a rebound. So, all right, family and friends. So like I stated before, I'm just a concerned grandfather looking out for the well-being of my granddaughters. So do not take this as financial advice. I decided this is one of the stocks that I want to add to our portfolio. The reason I chose Meta, it's a moat. It has a great balance sheet. Right now, Facebook platform itself hosts about 3 billion users. And guess you'll be surprised what country has the most. It'll be India. India has about 300 million users on their platform. Their balance sheet is impeccable with constant double-digit growth the past 5 years and forecast to grow at double digits the next 5 years. Now, just keep in mind, past performance is not indicative of future performance. So you always have to understand your risk, okay? Now, the one thing that does stand out is their spending. Let me see how I want to say this. Meta, along with a lot of other corporate companies, are investing heavy in AI. So if you look at their balance sheet, you will see an increase in the liability or expenditures just because they're spending so much on AI. Over the summer, Meta was trading at a peak of $795 per share. In early November, it was hovering around $750. And then, family and friends, Meta announced their quarterly earnings, and they said something that the institutional investors did not like when they reported their Q3 earnings. They had to take a $15 billion tax hit on the beautiful big bill, and the stock price took a hit the ensuing week. Meta bottomed out right around $580. That is a drop from $750 a couple weeks prior to that, almost $800 2 months earlier. Yeah, my future investors, thank you for stopping by our week 3 challenge update. $10 a day, fractional shares. We're working on building wealth, $10 at a time. Don't forget, you give them the power to feed you. You give them the power to starve you. Until next time, family and friends, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Cheers.